You may wonder what I'm doing right now. But in last video, we discussed the Kaizen, the winning strategy of achieving anything in life and business. I said just put stone after stone in order to achieve continuous improvement, right? For that, some of you may doubt about it. How to be consistent in the process. For those of you who have doubt, just stick towards this video till the end. I'm sure you will get the answer for that question. Hi friends, firstly let me make you clear what is consistency. Always behaving or happening in similar way, especially in similar positive way, or else acting or done in same way over a period of time, it's called consistency. To make even more clear, just consider this math problem. In both cases you can see that 365 is common, yet that 1.00 shows initial state, doing nothing at all state, whereas that 1.01 shows that doing constant and consistent effort. Just by adding 0.1 in your day-to-day life, you can see the huge result. That's the power of consistency, my friends. Why you have to be consistent? Every great person you admire in any field didn't succeed just because of one giant move. Rather, because of series of consistent actions over a period of time, they succeed, and that makes them redefine the success. Success is more about endurance and sustainability. More than that, the top performers not just focused on outcome, rather they focus on the process that makes them continuous improvement. So in simple, consistency is all about building small empowering habits and rituals. It's just time-tested process. Yet, if you aim to unlock the progress properly, the practice of continuous improvement, then you have to consider the key called consistency. Now come to the core part of this video, how to be consistent in the process of continuous improvement. To be consistent in something, we all need some kind of driving force, some kind of motivations, right? According to psychology, there are two different types of motivation factor: external motivation factor and internal motivation factor. External motivation factor is nothing but reward driven behavior, for example salary, money, recognition, fame, etc. Internal motivation factor is the art of doing something without any kind of expectation about rewards. Purpose, mastery and curiosity to learn something new are the examples for internal motivation factor. You know what? Study shows that person who are all driven by internal motivation factor are the person who enjoy the process, who enjoy both ups and downs in the process. Before going further, I like to share my story here. See friends, to be frank, I wasn't consistent guy. I wasn't guy who always be consistent in the thing which I am doing. But once I started this YouTube channel, I always be consistent. Then I realized myself what makes me consistent in YouTube. You know what it is? My purpose, my big why. What are things I am doing in this channel? So once you realize your purpose, or once you realize your internal motivation factor, I'm damn sure you will be so consistent in the process of continuous improvement. When the new year started, you might have so many goals to achieve in the year 2021. Right now you may not perceiving it, but it's okay, because the 2021 doesn't end here. Rather you still have 11 months. So consider last 3 weeks as free trial and just recommit yourself. I'm sure you can consistent. Please don't quit, because quit will never ever make you achieving it anything. I accept consistency is extremely rare, yet it's not impossible. So friends, just believe yourself that you can learn to cultivate consistency in any area you like to improve upon, and eventually you will beat any talent, skills and luck just by being consistency. So friends, just push yourself one step ahead.